Hello everyone, in this video you'll learn to use CSS Flex box to create a website like this, a simple web page where you has making it responsive with the layout. Okay. So in order to do this, first of all you must visualize how the layout is. You must visualize this kind of layout as boxes. So first of all, the top is one division. So how many division do we need in this case? You have to visualize it. So we have one gigantic division that holds this entire thing. So I'm going to use a image to show you. So in this case you can visualize there is one main division that is inside the body of the HTML, and within the main there will be one top, one nav, one content, and one footer. So within the content there will be another division to hold four other division, each division to hold the image. So with that, let's start. So in the starting you will need to have a banner image, okay, and four other poster images and the background tile that we're going to use it. We also have a write-up, and we're going to start by creating three files. So the first file is index.html. So we're going to create one HTML, and we're going to create script.js, and another file will be our style CSS. So in this particular we'll just be using index and the style.css. So let's start with the HTML first. HTML, we will need to know what is the HTML structure. So we'll start with the HTML structure. We have a doc type HTML, and you have HTML. Within the HTML, you must visualize HTML is like a person. There will be a head, and it has a body. And inside the head, you have the title. In this case, we're going to say layout with CSS Flex. And we need to connect our CSS. So first of all, we will need to make link. Then we'll have the first one is relationship. The relationship is style sheet. Then we have the reference, the H reference, that will point to our CSS file, and in this case our CSS file is called style. Okay. Next will be our type of this. It will be text/CSS. Yeah, we'll close this. So once we have done this part, we can put in the body. Okay. So just now, if you were to backtrack a bit, you can see we have a main division. Inside this main division there will be four division: top, nav, content, footer. So let's create that. We have one first division, main, and this main there will be four division. The first will be called top. Then we're going to duplicate it. The second one will be calling it nav for navigation. Then we have the content and the footer. Okay, so with this structure, okay, we can start off, and to test whether our HTML and the CSS is linked properly or not, we need to use the style CSS. Let's check. We're going to start with body. Okay, and the body will have a background image. In this case, you'll use a URL. It'll be images, background image, image slash, then the BG town, and the background we'll use background color. And so we need to reference how we're going to use, because we're going to use the main banner. So you can see the banner, this is the color, and to help us extract some of the color, we can use Adobe Color. Okay, so how do we do that? We can go to extract theme. Okay, then we'll take this image, drag it inside here. You can see it will give us a series of color, and in this case we are given this 5 color. And first we're just gonna take the first color, which is the yellow here. I think this color is a bit too bright, so I'm going to take somewhere around here. Need a lighter color. Okay. So let's take this color, copy. We go back to the background. Okay, so we're going to paste this color here. So is to make this background color blend in with our background image, we're going to use background blend mode, background blend mode. Okay, and we're going to use multiply. So let's test it out. Select the HTML, right click. You will need to use the extension for live server, and we're going to test it out. Now open up, so you can see now we have a background using the background image, and we know that our CSS is working and is connected. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.